just begun.
Hi everyone, welcome to INSHI Club. Welcome back again on another informative and educational blog. It's been a long time since the last time I released a blog, and please make sure to get those messages and suggestions flow in. Where we are here today at one of the specialized locations when it comes to unmanned aerial vehicles. By referring to unmanned aerial vehicles, yes, I'm referring to drones, and it is the military and aviation terms for drones. Alright, talking about drones, I would like to introduce you to my latest innovative project, the aerodrome drones, where we capitalize most of the aerodrome activities such as follow-me drones, 4D drones and marshalling drones to create a greener, safer and efficient aerodrome environment, which we will be discussing in a shorter version in another blog. So next time if you happen to see a drone outside the window while you're waiting for your flight, you know it is my dream project has been implemented. Where we are today at one of the leading drone operating academy here in the UAE, providing skills, knowledge, education and training to become a successful and certified drone operator in accordance with the UAE airlaw regulations. Welcome to Sanad Academy. Alright, the main objective of the Sanad Academy is to provide training and skills to become a successful drone operator. We have here Dimple to give us more information about Sanad Academy. Hi Dimple.
Hi, how are you?
Very good, thank you very much, and thank you so much for this opportunity despite all the busy schedule. Could you just explain us what kind of a training that you guys have here in the Sanad?
Okay, so there are two types of trainings over here. One is hobbies and one is commercial.
Right.
So for the hobbies, it's like you are using for your personal use, and for commercial, it's only for the surveying and commercial things around. So surveying, mapping, and inspections and that.
Yes.
Yeah.
Talking about airlaw regulations, what sort of airlaw regulations here in the UAE are we talking about?
So yeah, here the rules and regulations consist of the altitude and the distance. The most important thing is the altitude. You can't go more than 400 feet. You need to be in 400 feet.
Yeah.
And the distance is given like 500 meters. But we tell people like be always visual line of sight. So like keep the drones around you so that you
Within your eyesight.
That's right. So visual line of sight is very much required over here.
Right. So in terms of location-wise, there are special locations that we can operate our drones, I believe.
That's right. So as per, there are BCA, Dubai Civil Aviation Authority, and there is GCA, General Civil Aviation Authority. So the General Civil Aviation Authorities and other emirates live in Dubai, and DCA is only in Dubai. So they are, by GCA, they have given the application called My Drone Hub application.
My Drone Hub application.
That's right. Once you register over there, you will have the zones where you can fly the drones. So red, yellow, and pink, it seems not to fly, but there is a white zone that you can fly your drone in Dubai and also in other emirates. But this white zones areas is like a palm. It's an open area, but it is actually restricted because you need to be 200 meters away from private properties, car, construction areas, and around the people. So maybe there is a group of people around and you're flying your drones. It is a concern of privacy. So you need to be away from people, private property, 200 meters as per DCA. So then you can fly your drone safe.
Alright, okay. Anyway, moving further, I would like to know the renewal process. Is there any time period? Is there any validity for the registration? Or how does that go?
Okay, so as a hobbyist, you don't need a validity as of right now, as per DCA. But if you are commercial, yes, you need to renew every year. Okay, now once you get your license, you don't need to renew. But yes, once you get your own, again, second drone, yes, you need to come here, we'll inspect the drone, and then we'll give you another sticker. There are stickers that you will be putting on the drone. Most of the people ask like, if I'm going out of this country, I'm not taking the drone and certificate anything. I'm going out and whether I can come into the drone, no, the customs will stop you right there. Because you are not verified to take your drone inside. They will confiscate their phone and they have to come over here to do the certification where they will check the people can fly or no. Once the person can fly, he will get will stuck the stickers there and there. He has to get the drone from the customs over here. We'll check the drone is okay to go or no in civil air. Yes, if it's good, perfect. We'll give the stickers. Now you can register to tourist license.
Tourist drone license.
Yeah. So once they get the registration done, they have to apply for tourist license. So once they have that, then they can fly the drones in Dubai.
Alright, okay. So which means if my drone is registered here in the UAE, but I'm traveling and then I'm carrying my drone to wherever I go. And then when I come back, do I still have the same problem, or since it is registered, do I still have the same problem?
No, you don't have. But
Okay.
as you mentioned, UAE. If you are in Abu Dhabi, they will ask you the GCA license, GCA registration. If you're coming in Dubai, landing in Dubai, the customs will ask you with the DCA license. That's the time where you will show the application what we will be giving you.
Oh, right, okay. Okay. Talking about registering through GCAA, will it a long process, or is it, as a hobbyist, is it a long process? Or
both of them, DCA and GCA, is very simple. As DCA will give you the guidelines. Yeah, DCA you have to pay 120 dirhams, but in GCA it's free of cost. So you just register and get all registration done.
Alright, okay. And my last question is, do we have any competitions here at Sanad, talking about drone hobbyists, drone enthusiasts who wants to come here and then join any competition? Do you guys conduct those kind of training down in the exhibition?
No, right now just because of pandemic, we are stopped with that. But yeah, very soon we'll start. There are drone racing competition, FPV racing competition will start soon, and yeah, where person can show their talents over here and get the win-win prize.
Alright, once again, if you are a drone enthusiast who would like to use your drone for commercial or personal use, make sure it is registered and make sure you are not at a no-fly zone, and please get yourself trained before you use this expensive device. The only place you can do is Sanad Academy. Alright, thank you so much for watching this vlog. Remember the name, INSHI Club. Subscribe, like and follow. Till I see you again, stay safe and stay strong.